Uh-oh, I'm on the wrong side of her.
I read all of my chapter in history. And I have to read out loud to try to remember it, so I talked for 2 hours.
Your sister turned it off.
Evelyn, stop it! Let me happy!
Don't take her fun away. She wants to eat the balls.
Don't take the balls from her.
Oh no, Saoirse, go get them.
I don't think I can do that.
They're over there.
I don't want to take her fun away.
Saoirse, go get them. One's under the couch, I think. That one, and I think there's one under the couch. Very good. Side ponytail for Leisha. Evelyn, you can't go under the ottoman.
Why did Taylor have such a tiny shirt?
Nobody knows.
When was this her shirt? Does that mean go with me in that box on the
No, that's Taylor.
I almost got ran over.
Why?
She put me in a box on a shirt.
No, Nisha, when she put you in the box, you were locked in your bedroom. And you were like 3, so I don't think you remember it correctly.
No, I was on the street. Yes. I was, Saoirse. I remember.
Why are you going under there?
Yeah, Evelyn. I have to wear a tank top under this because it's a see-through. I can't wait to go to forever. Mama.
Saoirse, she can't be under there.
Yes, she can.
Head under there. Get your head under there. Get your head under there. Hi.
Leisha, you guys are silly. Okay, let's pull her out.
Okay. Saoirse, pull her
Because she will
out.
slide right under there.
She already is under here.
I know, but she'll slide completely under there. That's what she likes to do. That's her hiding spot.
I want her to do. Hi. Hey. Ooh. I wonder what this thing does. Oh, perfect.
Go fetch that.
Saoirse, go fetch that. Fine, I'll fetch it. Go. Fetch it.
Put it back in. Don't put it in your mouth. Your sister puts those in her mouth.
Hey, at least I can clean it off.
Well, go clean it with a Lysol wipe.
With the what?
Lysol wipe.